All right, good morning / afternoon, guys. We're going to be heading out here from Tyson's house. Huge shout out to him. Thank you so much for the room and place to stay. And he even picked up tacos for us and got us coffee. It was really, really awesome.
And brisket.
And brisket. Hell yeah. And we're going to be heading out right now. Well, guys, we just saw our light flash before our eyes there. It's a shame I wasn't recording.
That shit was sketchy.
Basically, there was a car in front of me. I look up, and they're slamming on their brakes. So I slam on my brakes, which jackknifes the trailer, and I'm going down the road like sideways. I go and pull into the right, like middle, towards the right. The trailer's still jackknifing behind me. I look back in my mirrors. I see a car back there. Make sure that I straighten up in the middle to try not to hit him. I didn't hit that car, I didn't hit the car ahead of us. I saved and settled the trailer after a couple of big sways. We were all right. I don't know if we lost anything off the back of the trailer or what. We'll see. That was close. We're here at Buc-ee's again. We got people taking pictures and stuff. We're all hanging out. Juan, Sarah, Jerry, all in a row. We got Rob over there taking some pictures. Gonna be posting on the social media. Then we're gonna get back on the road here, head towards Houston, get there, work on the car, and then tomorrow's drifting, tomorrow morning.
Tried to yell, but y'all were like cruising.
Alright guys, we're here at Will Parson's house. Thank you. Shout out to him. We've got a couple of problems here I ran into while I was changing the oil. I found that my subframe was completely loose on the passenger side. My heims were loose, and I actually have a bad heim. All that combined, maybe the bad heim is probably what made everything vibrate enough to come loose. Let me show you. My bad heim joint is actually that front one there, and then my rear one was completely loose at this nut. And then the subframe bolts here underneath, they both came loose. So everything was just shifting around. That could have explained a lot. That could definitely have explained a lot with the jackknifing when I hit the brakes, slammed the brakes when that trailer went sideways. The dude cut me off, so pretty crazy. I'm gonna get back to it. Got to do the transmission oil and the diff oil as well. Huge shout out to Will. Thank you so much. We are getting underway. We're heading to SpeedSportz Park, and we're gonna go drifting. so good. Getting it checked out, no coolant leaks so far. Track seems really easy and smooth. There's one section that apparently you can do, but I feel like I'm going too fast through there. I'm almost just roasting them in a straight line, and it's almost like I need to transition. I don't know, I gotta figure it out. I wanna follow someone that knows what they're doing, and then we'll go from there. But I just wanna take it nice, easy, and smooth today. I'm actually making some smoke out there, so we'll watch tire wear, and then leave a little bit early because we have a very long ride to New Orleans. So that's where we're heading next. Lone Star Drift, Thomas Miata, having fun. Check the car out, gonna go back out and do another pass or two. Just wanted to say how much fun I'm having here on Drift Week. I really appreciate getting invited to this, and I definitely recommend if you ever get the chance to do it. It's been awesome. I cannot wait to see what the other days are gonna have in store for us. I don't know if we're gonna top that cop thing, but we'll see. fun?
Hell yeah.
All right, guys, we're heading out from the track. We're gonna go to New Orleans. Stop at the gas station first, get some fuel, take a piss, and then get on the road. See you at the next one. What's up, everybody? We're out here in NOLA. We got Daniel, Allie, Brandy. I'm sorry. They're letting everybody crash here. I got the air mattress. Rob's gonna be sleeping on the couch. And I'm messing with some editing of videos and gotta give a shout out. Thank you so much for having us. We appreciate it. Love it. Awesome hospitality. Drift community is awesome, guys. See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be actually drifting some more. More drift all the time. More drift all the time.
More drifting.
Yes. The car is in good shape too. It's holding up. Blue Devil's holding up. And the Polydyne seems to be holding up. I have a hole in the radiator currently. We're just fingers crossing it and winging it for right now. But it's been really good. So that road was horrible though. Don't ever drive on that again. Rob says never drive on it again. Good night.